Good evening, everyone. How are you? I hope you all will be very much fine. Today is the turn of the chapter modals. All right. So, you must have done modals in previous classes also. So, first of all, we will start with the can. Can is used to express ability or strength, that I can run fast, she can solve the sum, he can drive a car. Now come to the could. Where we use could? Actually, could is the past of can. Suppose when I want to show my ability in my young age or when I was child, then I will use could. When I was a child, I could run fast. She could ride a bicycle when she was young. Means if I want to show my ability or strength in the past, then we use could. Now come to the may. It's very simple. You use may in your daily life many times. Ma'am, may I come in, ma'am? May I go now? May I go to drink water? May I go to washroom? So may is used to seek permission. May I use your pen? And may I help you? We use may for possibility also. Like it may rain today. She may help you in this matter. She may come anytime. I may go now. Might. Might is past of may. But it is also used for present also. When we use it for present, then we use for less possibility. See, it can be used for both present and future. She might pass this year. It means there is a less possibility that she might pass this year. And she asked me if she might help me. See, if there is past tense in one part of the sentence, then in another part of the sentence definitely might will come. If here she asks, asked me, then here will come may. Means if there is past, here will also come past. Shall. It indicate future. Future, I shall visit you soon. We shall follow them. That's it. We also use shall to make suggestions to give someone, like shall we go for a walk today? Shall we go for a dinner? Shall we go for a movie today? And should. Should to give advice someone. One should speak truth. We should help poor. We should never mock at others. We should always keep to the left. We should get up early in the morning. We should go to bed early. Will. Simple. In the same way, we use it to indicate future. Like she will help you. They will not come here. And would is the past of will. Like she said that she would not come the next day. Same, because there is a said past tense. So here will also come would. If there is says, then here will come will. Okay. We also use would for like what would you like to do? What would you like to do? Or we may say that what would you like to have? I would like to have juice. I would like to have coffee. So we can use it for to ask someone. Alright. Now come to the must. Must is used for obligation. Like we must wear helmet while driving. We must not cross red light. Must. Must not. It's obligation. It's compulsory. So when there is compulsion, we use must. We cannot avoid it. Ought to. To give advice in the same way, we use should. Should and ought to have same functions. You ought to go now. You ought to speak truth. Okay, then you ought to help others. Same function. There are same function of should and ought to. So with this chapter is over. Thank you so much and have a nice day.